Good day, everyone. Thanks for joining us here in the chat. You tune into the Market Beast Edition. Fellow compositor speaking. Before you hit that buy button, I realize the thumbnail is very bullish, but please hear me out. I'm going to explain to you. I'm going to give you a warning range. And also, before we get started, this stock can go to zero. I'm not sure if this is a scam. Please understand that it's below $1 and that it could go through a reverse stock split and you could get your shares cut in half. I'm relying on you to do all that information, that research before you enter this market. So I just want to put that disclaimer out there because I think there's a very large percentage on this thumbnail. Hopefully we're clear. Please leave a prayer hands in the comment section to verify that you heard me out. And yeah, if that's missing, then you're on your own there, bud. I mean, either way, you're on your own, right? But let's go ahead and get into the details. I have a price target on this stock, and I'm not sure what this is. It was a request, long-time request. So let's not waste time. And I'm going to give you the warning range and everything. So let's dive right into the charts here, shall we? So today's June the 13th, 2021, and the previous close of STAF, Staffing 360 Solutions, Inc. is going to be 64 cents, slightly negative, approximately 2.8% for the day. Okay. Welcome back, everyone. ASMR Interesting Analysis. Here's everything. Okay, so here's the critical range. All right, it's pretty important. So 55 cents all the way down to 43 cents. Do I think it could get lower? Yeah, I actually do think it can get within this critical range. So I would actually advise you to not hit that buy button. All right, that is financial advice. Do not hit that buy button. All right, but the critical range, I would actually, we're not invested in this just yet. But we would like to entertain a position if we notice some reversal candles happening, if it actually dips down within this range down here, 43 cents up to 55 cents. The reason that we say it has potential to get this low is because I was actually looking very closely at the weekly candles here, and I'm noticing there's a low here on the December 21st, 2020. And actually there's a lower low here. Right at that 55 cent level at about May the 17th, 2021. And what I do is I really look at this stuff very closely. There's actually a wick over here on September the 21st, 2020. A wick as low as 53 cents, so 53.01. And on this wick down here, it actually wicked a lower low, 51.35. Yes, I actually look at that stuff. Like I look at it very closely. So this is technically considered a lower low. What does that mean? Well, remember, let's zoom out. Okay, let me make sure everyone is on the same page. This stock has come from, I'm pretty sure it's gone through some reverse stock splits, but this area here represents like $100. And this took place back in like May the 2013. All right, so where's the trend? Well, yeah, it's down, guys. The trend is your friend until the end. Say it with me. The trend is your friend until the end. The trend is down. Beautiful downtrend. The sellers have this stock in complete control, okay? Going down, all right? I want to make sure we explain that. All right, now I don't know if you guys actually seen the target just above the price there, but we'll get to that in 1 second. So I just want to let everyone know, I personally, I'm not in this market, but I would be interested. Let's just go ahead and set an alert to see if it actually gets below like 54 cents. Like, honestly, I'm not even paying attention to this unless it gets to like 54 cents. Maybe it'll never get to 53, 54 cents, but I'm just going to set an alert right there live with you all and let you know that I'm not even interested in buying this until it gets lower. All right. Again, it's just requests. Okay. Hopefully you guys can appreciate me just going over a request. Okay. So yeah, that's pretty much all I have for this video. 43 cents, 43 up to 55 cents. And the price target, just to let you guys know how I got the thumbnail there, it's all the way up here at like close to $11.76. Somebody say, dude, how'd you get that price target? It's a very unique way that we're only going to share in our Patreon when we actually come out with it, right? Yeah, it's going to be shared there. So 11.76, but I'd say that, guys, be more conservative. If it actually does go up, I put a sell order at like 8.88, something like that, just before, you know, everyone starts to start putting those sell orders in. But the technical target is the target that we just went over. But I put something like 8.88, get a nice closure, right? But the 11.16, I think the thumbnail suggests, was like It was at like the $11 level. Okay, the 11 the number that would just erase off the chart there. So that was the technical target, 1176. Okay. But the conservative play would be right there. All right, not conservative, but if you want to take a little bit more of a risk, if I were to take a little bit more of a risk to get in before that, all the, I guess the FOMO crowd would be the 888 level. Okay, so that's it. Hopefully this was useful. And again, thanks for the request. So yeah, and be sure to understand, guys, it's below $1, so things could get really, really different. Okay, reverse stock split, go to zero. Not sure if it's a scam. There we go. All right, so leave an appropriate thumb just below the video if you enjoyed the content. Leave a comment so that the YouTube algorithm can push this video out to the investors and let them know that, it looks fair for now, okay? We got to wait for that move up, okay? I'm not sure if we're there yet, though. Also, before you go, alternative markets. If you're into Bitcoin and altcoins, we cover that. So kindly subscribe with us, hit the bell, and we'll see that information when it is available. Okay, we'd love for you to join us here, all right? So that's it, guys. Take care of yourselves, protect your portfolio, execute your strategies. Okay, we'll talk soon, and bye for now.